Jules, you gotta go faster. You gotta put your whole face in it.
Okay, Nick, go ahead.
Hands behind your back, Chris.
Is it good?
Nick, put your face in.
Faster, Joel, faster.
Mike is in the lead. Chris is close second.
Chase,
Chase
hurry.
and Julian are not slamming their faces in it. You gotta go. No, you gotta keep going. You gotta
No,
really
you
fly.
can finish. No hands, Nick,
Mike
no
is
hands.
close.
Hands
Everybody's
behind your
gotta
back,
catch up.
Nicky.
Yeah. There's 2 flops, Mike.
Where did you get this recipe, Mom?
And Mike is the winner. Mike is the winner. Mike wins. The rest of you guys can keep going if you want.